Hello, Sorry.
Hey guys, good evening. Can you hear me?
आज राहिला सुपर सेट बनवतो. కూర్చోండి మెటీరియల్ ఉంది అంటే కూర్చోండి.
Yeah, tell me, last class we discussed with Redux concept, right? Tell me the last class what we done with use selector. Today you have any questions you can ask me. We'll go for some doubt session. And about the Redux. Redux is used to maintain the local state or global state. Just please respond. Redux to maintain the local state or global state. To maintain the, yeah, please respond all of you. To maintain what? Global state, right? Yeah, Redux is used to maintain the global state, and we write the global reducers, right? Reducer functions. So Redux store, Redux contains library, Redux store contains contains the two things. Contains the Redux store contains what? Global state. Global state means what? Data, right? Just please respond. Global state means what? Data. And second one is what? Reducers. Reducers means logics, right? We can write the logics like that. Global state and what? Reducers. We discussed about the hooks. Tell me, we discussed about the use selector hook. So in the global state, we discussed what we did in the global state. We taken the state products state to maintain all the products. Products array waste products and non-waste products. Products state we maintain the waste products and what? Non-waste products. And one more state you created, right? What is state? Tell me. And cart state to maintain the cart information, right? And the purchase object store purchase. Tell me purchase history object, right? Yeah, purchase history object, which is like empty like that. So in the store, we maintain the states. Like what are the states we maintain? Tell me. What are the states we maintain here? We maintain the products state, which contains all the products information. Cart state contains like empty cart we created. Like empty cart we created, later we can add it, right? Purchase history means to maintain the orders, right? To maintain the orders. And what are the reducers we written? Tell me. Yes, please respond. Global state means we take in the state products state, cart state, purchase history state. Products state contains what? Products data veg items, non-veg items, right? Veg and what? Non-veg items. Products state. Cart means cart state means what? To store the cart data. To store the cart data, right? Purchase history state to maintain the history, right? To maintain the history objects. To maintain what objects here? History objects, right? Exactly. To maintain the history objects. Yeah, exactly. Priyanka, good. And the reducers, what we written, tell me? Add to cart. Add to cart logic. We are writing cart increment, cart decrement, like cart, add to cart logic. Reducers means what? Add to cart we done. Next one is what? Remove cart we done. Next one, tell me. Add to cart, remove cart. And we need to go for the increment cart. We have to increment the cart. We have to decrement the cart. And we have to clear the cart. Because once the purchase is completed, we need to write the clear cart, right? So these all are the reducers we return. So add to cart, remove cart, increment cart and decrement cart, decrement, clear cart to remove all the cart details, right? These are the logics reducers logics we are writing. So Redux store contains the states, contains the two parts, guys. One is the state. Store contains only states. Number one is the state information. Tell me, guys, state and what? Reducers information. State means we maintain the products state, cart state and what? Purchase history state. Reducers means we have the logics add to cart, remove cart, increment and decrement, clear cart, right? Exactly. So in the Redux, what are the hooks we are using frequently? Tell me, guys, what the hook we are using? Use selector hook. Tell me what the purpose of use selector hook? What the purpose of use selector hook? I'm asking purpose. What the purpose of use selector hook? To get the data from? To get the data from, read the data from the store. Exactly. So because your products are there in the store and cart is there in the store, purchase history there in the store. Tell me to read the data from the store, right? Exactly. To read the data from what? Read the data from the store. Read the data from the store. Read the data from the store. We are using like, what selector? Tell me here. Use selector hook, right? To read the data from the store. Next one is what store we used? What the hook we used? Use selector. See, we have the component like Wes components, non-Wes components, right? Add to cart logic is there in the Wes components, non-Wes component, store. Because add to cart logic is there in the, where is the add to cart logic is present? In the store. What we need to do then? We need to dispatch the action to store, right? Use dispatch. Tell me what the purpose of use dispatch? Tell me here what the purpose of use dispatch? Read the data from the store. We are using like use selector. Use selector, read the data from the store for the purpose of use dispatch. Because add to cart logic is there in where? In the Wes components, non-Wes component in the store. In the store, we have the data, right? Tell me, speak out. To send the data to store. Not send the data. To send the action to store, right? Logic to store. You dispatch. Dispatch the action to what? Dispatch what? Dispatch the logics to store. Because add to cart logic is present in the Wes components in the store. In the store, right? To say dispatch the logics to what? Dispatch the logic to store. We are going for what? Use dispatch. And we use one more hook like, configure store, right? Tell me guys how to configure the store. Configure the store. We are going for the state name and reducer name, right? To configure the store, right? Configure store, use it to what? Configure the store, right? Configure what? Store. Good. You got the point? Yesterday class, yeah. If you go for this one, I need to handle the 404 error, guys. Tell me how to handle the 404 error? 404 error. How to handle the 404 error? Yesterday class we done that point, right? What the how to handle the 404 error? Yeah, you create the component like, not found .jsx file. So you need to go with what? Delete this file. Yeah. I need to go with what? 404. Redux hook, guys, use selector and use dispatch and what? Configure store we have. And the next one is what? Tell me guys, how to handle what? How to handle the 404, page not found. Page is what? Not found. Tell me guys, how to handle the page not found? How to handle what? Page not found. How to handle the 404 means? Yeah. So guys, we are typing the browser, you are running the code. To run the code, terminal, click on what? New terminal. How to run the project? npm. npm run what? Dev. Yeah, npm run dev. Yeah, we got the URL. Once if we got the URL, copy that URL and paste the URL here. Yeah, sorry, in the browser you can paste the URL. So that yeah, we got the project like this. I think this import statement is issue. I see that file name app.jsx. App.jsx not found is a issue. See guys, always try to read the errors carefully. So go for the app.jsx because the route not found just not deleted. That's what. Just you can remove this not found and remove that not found. I will add the not found data one more time. Yeah. But go to the browser. Yeah, see this one, guys. Home page you got, Wes items page. Yeah, Wes items page, we click on what? Add to cart, right? Add to cart. See, guys, the cart is incrementing. Add to cart, add to cart. Click on the add to cart. Click on the add to cart. The cart is increasing. Go to the cart. Tell me in the cart, we can see that product name, price, increment, decrement button, quantity and remove button. If you click on the remove button, the data is removed. If you want to increase the items, like that. Apply the discount means click on the apply discount. When you click on the apply discount, then your discount is how much here? 20%. And your discount amount how much guys here? 187.0. If you click on 30%, 30%, 20%, 20%, apply discount like that. And if you can apply the coupon code, right? How to apply coupon code? Rather than 10, rather than 20 means 20% discount, apply coupon code. This is a coupon code, right? This is what? Coupon code. So yes, you can apply the discount and you can apply the coupon code. After that, click on what? Complete purchase. So click on what? Complete purchase. If you click on the complete purchase, then what happens? Your cart becomes? Cart becomes what? Empty. Then click on what? Orders. Now, just now we purchased these items, right? Purchase history is what? Date. Date, this is a date. And total amount you need to pay for that 935. This is the first history, guys. Like that, you can click on the waste items, click on the add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, and add to cart. And you can see here the check boxes like below 100 rupees, what the items are displayed. And if you click on above 100 rupees or below 100 rupees. If you uncheck this one, again, how many items are displayed total here? 4 items are displayed, right? You can add these 2 check boxes here. One checkbox is below 100, one checkbox is what? Above 100. If we remove that, we got the total. How many boxes guys here? 4. We complete that. Go for the orders and apply the discount 30%. And we can apply the coupon code is what? Rather 10. Apply coupon. Coupon amount is 98 rupees. Complete the purchase. Then how many orders you place now? 2 orders. Then we got this is the first order. 935 rupees. Second order is what? 985 rupees. Like that. Same date, right? Because the first date like 1/2/2025. And this is what? 1/2 and 2025. So URL mismatch. Yeah, fine. Tell me guys, URL is mismatched. That's what you can take one component like, not found component. Tell me how to handle the URL mismatches. Take the component name is what? Not found.jsx. Tell me how to create the component. To create the component function, the function name is what? Not found component. Braces like this. Tell me guys, we need to go for what? Return statement. I think we don't need to write the code like that, right? Just you can type the shortcut guys, React function, React functional component exporter. What the name we used here? React functional component exporter. Control space, you can click on enter. Then automatically function will come, return statement will come, React fragment will come. This is a React fragment. And even export also will come, right? This is the export option. You got the point, right? All are coming. Just you can make the H1 tag. Tell me H1 tag opening on what? H1 tag is what? Closing. Yeah, H1 tag. This is not found page, right? This is not found page. And you please display one image also, right? Image displaying is good. I taken some image like, not found image. Yeah, this is a not found image. Error 404 error, right? Yeah, what the image here? Error 404. How to configure this? How to make this one is the not found, right? Go for the not found, take the image tag. Tell me how to take the image tag. Image and src. Image what? Src, right? Src. Yeah, src equal to. Give that image name is what? Not found dot. Not found dot. What data here? PNG, right? Good. This is not found page. When this page should be displayed, when the URL is correct, go for the routing here. In the routing for the home, what component display? Tell me. Home component. Veg means what component? Veg. Non-veg means what component? Non-veg. Milk means what component? Milk. Cart means what component? Cart. Orders means what component? Orders. See, if this URL means everything is going good, no problem. If any other URLs will come, then what happen? We need to display what? Not found, right? Exactly. To make that guy, just you can make one route. Go for what? Route. Route what? Path. So path and element. What element you have to display? What element here? Not found. Just you can give the braces like this and take the pages like what? Not, tell me, not found. Not found, guys. This not found should be displayed. When this should be displayed, tell me. For this URLs, other than this URLs. If this URLs means any problem is there, no problem. Other than this URL, any URL is coming, just you can make the star. When you make the star, then what happened here? Unnecessary URLs are typing in the browser. See, this URLs, okay, fine. Orders URL is there, veg items URL is there, non-veg items URL is there. If this URLs means any problem is there, no problem. Veg items, non-veg items, milk items, and cart items, that is not a problem. But if you type the unnecessary URL, something like veg ABC, something like that, they are not there, guys, not there. Now see, we got this page is found or not found. Wait, this page is found or not found? Not found, right? This is not found page displayed. So if you type the normal URLs, then it is going good. If you are typing any URL mismatched, tell me any wrong URL you are doing. Tell me, guys, when the wrong URL you are doing, we are getting the page is what? Not found element. Not found component is loaded. What component is loaded? Yeah. Online people, any doubts? Hey, today you ask any questions. Do you have any previous example? Any issues are there? Do you have any issues at the previous examples? This is not found component, right? This is not found component. The not found component, you got this page like this when they type the wrong URL. But tell me, guys, when you type the wrong URL like this, but we should keep this page not found page like that, or yeah, we need to keep the long not found page like this, or after few seconds, like 30 seconds, when you're typing the wrong URL, guys, you can see the not found page. After few seconds, you need to say change to like home page by default. But we need to change to what page? Home page. We need to change to what page? Home page. Then tell me how to do it. How to do it? Good. See, guys, after few seconds, you need to change this page. By automatically change the page, right? That means the logic should execute automatically, some logic. So to execute the logic automatically, guys, we are using like, hook like use effect hook. What hook here? Use effect. This is a use effect hook. The use effect means what this hook we are calling automatically execute. Automatically execute, right? Braces you can take. This is a use effect hook. Tell me, guys. Use effect hook logic executed when you call the use effect automatically execute logic. Generally, our functions means we need to call the functions, but use effect what? Tell me, use effect hook what execute automatically? Tell me, automatically execute, right? Exactly. Tell me, guys, I told that you can take the arrow functions like this, before arrow argument, after arrow what? Braces, and last what? You can make the square bracket like this. I told the square bracket means empty square bracket, right? It means this component execute how many times? Only? Tell me, the component execute how many times? Only once. It means this use effect logic execute how many times? Only once. When the component is what? Loaded. When the component is what? Loaded, right? Like that. Tell me, guys, what logics we have to write? We need to set the timeout. Set the timeout. Tell me how much timeout we have to set. How much timeout we have to set for that? How much timeout, guys? We need to set the timeout. How much timeout we need to set? After few seconds, we need to tell me, guys. After a few seconds, what we have to do? We need to close the. Yeah, what we need to do for that? We need to go with the React. Set timeout, right? Tell me how much timeout you have to set. Set timeout. Yeah. Yeah, set timeout. How much set timeout again? We have to write the function, guys. To write the function. Tell me how to write the function for that. Go for this one. Set timeout. You can write the code. Yeah, that's why we written these points, right? Yeah, set timeout. How much timeout? Tell me here. Set timeout again function you're calling, and again write the arrow function. And just you can take how much seconds, guys? Here 5,000 seconds here. Then you can go for what? Navigate here. Navigate which page here? Home page. This code use effect logic we are calling automatically called. That is automatically called, right? That is what called automatically. Yeah, that is called automatically. That is called automatically use effect. Yeah. So set timeout, you're setting how much second time here? 5,000. This is a navigate hook, guys. Use navigate hook. Something like directly can use what we can say. Use navigate hook, right? Use navigate. Use navigate hook, guys. It is imported. Use effect is imported, and what? Use navigate is imported. So use effect execute automatically. What the purpose of use effect hook? That logics execute what? Automatically. Set timeout purpose is what? To set the time. How much time here? 5,000 milliseconds. Use navigate hook is used to navigate to other pages. See, tell me guys, when what happened here? When the URL is wrong. Go to the browser, you are typing the URL is what? Home means home is displayed, items means items displayed. These all are displayed. Something like URL is mismatched here, ABC. Then what happened? Not found page coming. Then tell me guys, not found is, then if you change it to what? Navigated to? Navigate to what page? Home page. After how many seconds? After how many seconds? 5 seconds, it should be what? Navigated to what page here? Just we need to. I think here we written what? /home. /home means just you can check the URL. Here we given what? Capital home or small home? That is the URL mismatch. Just you can take the small home. Yeah, small home you have to write. Because not found here, you can write the small h. Got the point, right? Yeah. So first, this not found page displayed. First, what page displayed? Not found. After that. First, not found page displayed. After that. Then first this page is displayed. After that, what happened here? Use effect got executed automatically. Then setting the timeout how much here? 5,000 milliseconds and set timeout and is navigating to what? Home page, right? Navigating to the home page. Just you can go to the browser. Click on the home page. Click on the web items. Fine. We are doing some mismatch the URL. You are typing like that. This is what? Not found page. How many seconds? After 5 seconds, it should what? Navigate, right? Why it is not even navigating? This is the use effect. Set timeout. Use navigate. You take the something like navigate equal to what you guys here? Use navigate. Yeah, just you can write the navigate equal to navigate equal to URL. Fine. And go with the browser, just you can refresh. Not found is coming. Yeah. You take an object like about basically. So use navigate hook name, you can take like navigate. I taken the reference variable. That reference I'm calling in the navigate what? Slash. Tell me guys, slash what? Home, right? Yeah. Because you take the one time like use navigate and navigate variable, guys. This navigate variable can be used like one place or multiple places. Like we should navigate like multiple places, right? That's what you are going for. The take the hook above. Let navigate. Use that variable. Tell me guys, inside this what function? So inside this set timeout function is there, right? You cannot use directly another function call. That's what you take in the variable and using that variable name, you are calling what? Slash home. You do one thing, you go for the web items display and tell me here web items, you write what? Web like this. Then tell me and go for the navigating to what page? Something like URLs wrong. Assume that orders, any orders are there? No orders, web items, non-web items. You type the URL is mismatched like ABC, click on enter. This page is found or not found? Not found. Then after, then after 5 seconds, what happened? Which items display, right? Previously home is displaying, now what item displaying? Which items, right? Good. That is called, what are the hooks we done? This one, like 2 hooks we done. One is the use effect. Tell me guys, what the hook name? Use effect. Tell me use effect and what the use navigate. Use what? Navigate, right? Navigate. Hmm? Good. Guys, any questions? Global state reducers, Redux hooks, use selector, use dispatch, use effect. Hmm? Redux. Yeah. Yeah, you written these points, huh? Today class, what is the purpose of use effect? What is the purpose of what? Online people, anyone done the project? How much what the work is done? Hey, anyone done the example? Please respond. How much work is done? Akash, Anjali, Avinash. Please respond how much work you done. Previous example, like the project, how much you done? Veg items, non-veg items, milk items, cart maintenance. Hmm? Discount apply. Please respond. Anyone done the work? Project is started or not? Like complete or not complete work? Up to purchase completed, Ramya. It's not. It's not taking import statements, sir. Checkbox not completed. Remaining complete. Huh? Ramya, just show me your project once. I'll make you the host. How much you done the work? Are you using the laptop, right, Ramya? I will show on Monday, sir. How much you done? Perfectly is working up to cart is working, huh? Priyanka, what about you? Yeah, just show me what is the work you done just. Checkbox is okay, except checkboxes. Okay. Just show me over once. Show the process. Rami, can share the screen over. No, it is already running. You don't need to type the command. It is already saved, right? Into two showing, right? Two times you saved. You just open the browser. Otherwise, you can type the Control C once. Now you can start running the project. npm run dev. Okay, just you can take that link. Copy that link and place the browser better. And your browser is not showing. You can share the entire screen, then it will be better while sharing. You can minimize this window, otherwise. Now you can see that. Just increase the font, increase the, yeah. Okay. With non-veg items also you can add. Yeah, good, good. Non-veg items also you can add some. Non-veg items I'm asking.
నాన్ వెజ్ ఐటమ్స్ చేయలేదు సార్.
Only veg items చేశారా? Okay. Apply discount. 421. Your cart is empty. We are making the two orders. Click on the page not found. Okay, page not found is handled. Welcome to for every. Yeah, that image is not there in the page, I think. Image not found. Just you can load that image.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. Priyanka, what about you? Show me the screen once. Priyanka, please share the screen. Okay. Mobile connect there. Good, good, good. What about Srinu? You share the screen once. We will see the. See how much work I done is okay, guys. You please focus on some work. Hey, do you have any questions, online people? Any questions? What is your question? Same question means what? Same question means? Hey, I think tomorrow we have the class at 9 o'clock. Again, Sunday we have the class tomorrow. Hey, you do one thing today. Let me take one more component. I think here we have the routes. Can please make one link, guys, new link login form, because you want to log into website. Then only you can make the order, something like that. We need to log into the website, then only you can make what? Orders. That's what, guys, you make one link, like, what the link is here, login. Just click on what? Login. Click on what? Login button. Yeah, once if you click on the login button, you please create the component. Tell me, src, right click, new file. Tell me, guys, what the file name here, login.jsx. As the login.jsx. If you take the login.jsx, tell me the code here, React functional component export. You can take the shortcut, like, RFC. Then you got the login component. This is like what? Login is done. Good. There's a login component, guys. Just you can give the dummy message. Div is not good. Take the React fragment. Can take the h1 tag. Tell me, guys, this is what? Login form. This is not what? Login form, right? Just you can click on login form. Yeah, that's fine. And this is the component is ready. Then tell me, guys, that component, we need to create the component. That component we can route into where? Tell me. App.jsx. In app.jsx, we are making the link, login link here. So link name is what? /login. For this link, you need to make the router. You please create one route for that. Tell me, guys, to create the router. What the route? Tell me here. You taken the login, right? Yeah. Once if you take the login /login here, you can go for what? A login. And when the link is login, if you click on this login, click on that login, what is loaded? Tell me. /login. /login means what? This is the path. For that path, you are loading the component. What component? Tell me here. Login component. That's what this login component. That's all. Let me open that browser. Can please check that login is coming or not. Yes, we got the login page. Go for the veg items coming, non-veg items coming, milk items coming, cart is coming, orders coming. Click on the login, guys. This is a login form. It is what? Login form. You please write the login form once. Go for the login.js, login JSX file to create the login form. You want to see the data in the browser, write in the return statement. Tell me, guys, to take the login form. What you will write? You take the label tag. Label tag is what? Just you can take the username. Label tag is the username, and then next one is what? Password you can take. That is like, label tag we can write like that. Then tell me, guys, after that, input tag. Just you can write the input. Tell me, guys, input. Input type equal what? Type equal to, you can make it text. Next one is you can take the ref tag, guys. What the tag name of? Ref. Ref is like, based on this reference, we can call the text field. Based on what? That reference, we can call the text field, right? Like this. See, guys, this is the username. You can save the file. Go to the browser. Yeah, just you can go to what? Browser. This is what I guess here. Ref. Input type equal to what? Text. So next one is like, you can take the, tell me, guys, password field. Tell me how to take the password here. Input. Input what? Type equal to, just you can take what? Password field. Take the what field here? Password field. And password field, you can take the reference. Reference, you can take in the, yeah, reference. You take the ref equal to what? Ref equal to what? Ref equal to, just you can take the password. Yeah, just you can take the password like this. And if you want, just you can close that, what tag is here? Input tag. And close that input, right? Good. Because if you want, just you can refresh. This is the login form. This is a label. Label means what? Tell me, guys. Username. And input type equal what? Text. Reference is what? Username. So you can go to the browser. Yeah, click on what? Refresh. Click on this one. Yeah, fine. Click on what? Page not found. Then by default, it is loading what? Veg items, non-veg items, milk items, cart. Click on the login. Why the login is not coming? Just you can go for what? Inspect. What we need to inspect? Always try to read the errors, guys. When you read the errors, you'll get the more idea. So read that point here. Saying that, read this point, guys. Username is what? Not defined. You taken the reference, right? You taken what? Reference. To hold this value, We need to hold that value. To hold that value, we require one hook actually. You taken the reference, right? What the reference tell me here? Username. To hold this value, we require some variable, right? We require some what? Variable. To make that variable, guys, we are going for the hook like, use ref hook. What the hook name, guys, here? Use ref. Use ref. Just you can take what? Let username. Let what? Username. Initial value, you can make it as null, empty value. The same way, you can use what? Let. See, because here you taken what variable? Tell me here. A ref variable. What variable here? Input type equal to what? Text. Reference is what? Username. To hold this reference, to hold that value, tell me, to hold that what? Value, we require the variable, right? That's what let username, use ref hook. Use ref hook will read the data from the form. Use ref hook will read the data from where? Form. Just like that, you can take what? Next field is the password field. Password is what? Use ref. Just you can make it as what? Null. See guys, like that you need to implement. Good. Can go to the browser here. Now see the form here. Now you got the form. So you got the point, right? We're getting the form. Always try to read the error. If I remove this one, it's showing like, error. Right click and inspect. Go for the browser. It's saying that, what the message it's showing. You can clear the console and refresh one more time. Yeah, we got this one is what? The username is defined or not defined? Username is what? Not defined. Username is not defined. That's what I take define that variables. Username and what? Tell me username and what? Password, right? That one. And see, I think the form is coming fine. Then username text box is coming. Enter the username. Password text box is coming fine. Ratan at the rate what? 1, 2, 3, something like that. But you make the next lines, guys. To make the next line, here I can use what tag? BR tag. Just you can take the BR closing and you take what? One more BR closing. Yeah, see guys, now we got the values clearly. And last one is you can take this is the BR tags. Tell me you can take the BR tags. And button required, right? Just you can take the input. Tell me, input. Input type equal to what you can write? Submit. Input type equal to what? Submit. Just you can write the value equal to what? Value equal to login means that login is displayed, right? Good. Now you can see the browser. Yeah, we got the form like this. Tell me guys, username is what? Username you enter. Password we enter. Click on what button? Tell me. Login button. When we click on the button, we need to write the logic. Where we have to write the logic? Online people, please respond. When I click the button, what we have to write? When we click on the button, what we should write? Home, veg items, non-veg items. What event you should write? On click. Good. Go with the on click here. Tell me, here you can go for what? On click. On click, on click. On click, you write the function name. What the function name here? Login function. 1 second.
Client పనిచేసింది.
ఎవరు?
క్లయింట్ ఉన్నట్టు ఉంటుంది అది కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయించు.
Online people, tomorrow we have the class at 9 to 1. Okay. Yeah, input on click. On click means what? Tell me guys, on click means what? Login. If you click on the login, on click, tell me guys, on click what? Login. If you make the on click login, you take the arrow function. Tell me how to make the arrow function. Tell me let what? Login equal to, tell me braces like that. You can make the code like that, right? Yes or no? Login equal to, here we have to write the logic. What the logic we have to write? Tell me. Username is Ratan, some password is Ratan at the rate 123, login success. There is login what? Failure. That message you have to get. To get that, you to check the data means first of all we require the data, right? We require what? Data. To get the data, guys, You write the username because this reference is stored in where, tell me this, when you enter the username, what is the reference you take in here? Username. So that username will hold the data. Then you can get the data like, username dot current dot, tell me guys, current dot what? Value. Username dot current dot value, current dot what? Value. Then we write to what condition, tell me? Can I write the ternary operator, right? Yes. Username dot current dot value, which is triple equal to Ratan. And tell me next one. Password dot password dot what? Current dot value. Password dot current dot what? Value. Value, which is equivalent to the Ratan at the rate what? Triple equal Ratan at the rate 123 question mark. This is what? See, this username contains a username, password contains what? Password. You need to get that values. To get that values, username dot current dot value. Username current value is Ratan and password dot current dot value is what? Ratan at the rate 123. Tell me guys, if it is success. Success means what we have to do? Success means you please navigate to success page better. Fail means failure page success navigate. Tell me how to navigate. How to navigate? We need to take the use navigate hook, right? Tell me how to take the use navigate hook. Let what? Just you can take the let navigate equal to, tell me use navigate. Very good. Use navigate like that. Fine. Navigate equal to use navigate. Then if it is success means what? Success means what? Navigate. Navigate of what? Give the URL. What the URL guys here? Success. I will write that code for the success file. Colon. Tell me colon what? Navigate. Navigate what? Slash. We can write what? Slash fail. Fail URL, right? Like that, guys. We got the point. So when we click on the button, on click event is right. It's executing what check? Login check. Assume that login check. And you take the variable name is what? Login check. This is the arrow function. Username dot current dot what? Value, which is triple equal to what? Ratan. Because reference you take in what? Username. It means that reference will hold the data. Hold what? Data. Then useref hook we are using. What the hook name, guys? Useref. Tell me, it's navigated to what page? Tell me. If username dot current dot value, which is triple equal to what? Ratan. And password triple equal to current dot value, Ratan. Navigate to what file? Success. If it is fail means navigate to what file? Then what we should do? We need to make what? Two components. What are two components? Tell me. You need to make how many components? Yeah. Two components. Hey, you do one thing. As of now, just you can write the here, what you can say? Console.log off. Tell me what the message here? Login success. Otherwise, just you can write the login failure. Login success or what? Login? Login success or what? Login fail, right? Yeah, let me check up to that first. Yeah. That is a code, guys. Let me run this code, whether check the working or not. Always in real time, we never write the much code, guys. Always you write the piece by piece. Piece by piece. Do you write the user, write the name and password like if you give other name and password? What? Do you write name and password like? Ask the question one more time. Good. Guys, enter the username. I enter the username is what? Ratan. Password is what? Ratan at the rate 123. Click on what button? Once if you click on the login, that is there in the where? Console. Console, just you can go to the console, refresh, and just you can clear the console, guys. Any old errors are there, you can clear it. Always try to clear the console. When you want to see the new error also even. When you want to see the new error, always try to what? Clear the console. Clear what error? Console. Clear the console. How do you take the when you get the other username password? You give whatever you want, just you can create the login page, that's all. Click on what button, guys, here? Login. Now see the output here, login success. It means useref username dot current dot value. and reference equal to username, all are working. All are what? Working. Give the username is wrong. Ratan 123 like this. Click on what? Login. See guys, second case what? Login success, login fail. Login fail. Like that, guys. If you click on that one, login fail, login fail. If you remove 123, just click on login success. Login success. So you got the pointer? That is called login component, guys. That is what component? Login component. Check the code once. Any questions on that? Create the login component. Take the useref hook to read the data from the form. What the hook we are using, guys? Useref. And use navigate. I didn't use the navigate as of now. Keep aside. This is a login check functionality. Enter the username label tag. After label is what? Input tag. No need to write the closing. Just you can make the self closing, no problem. Label is there. And this is also what? Self closing. Fine. Input type equal what? Submit. Value equal what? Login. On clicker. What button here? On clicker. That's it. You got the pointer? That is the what the form, guys, here? Login form. Yeah, you write the points.
Sir, in the real time, suppose if you have given the username Ratan and something, no, sir. So in the real time, we have to define every time like login and password, sir.
See,
If not,
Ramya,
if
that
not,
is
it don't take it.
generally- No, no, no. It's generally you should register first. Then your username password is there in the application. With that username password, you should log into your account, right? You don't have the other passwords and other usernames, right?
Yes, sir.
It means generally here the two steps. One is you should register, then you have to log in. But here I given some hard-coded values.
Normally, suppose if we are logging from any other account, sir.
It should not be, right? If we do that, we need to implement the authentications the server side. If you know the Python, right, REST APIs. In the REST APIs, we have the authentications. We need to implement that. You give the username, your registration details to the backend, then they will store your data in the database, right?
Yes, sir.
Then when you log in, you give the login details to the backend REST APIs. Then REST APIs will what you can say, will validate your valid user or not. If you are valid user, then it is giving the data to us.
Okay, sir.
Second, otherwise you'll implement in one more way. You do one thing. Stop and listen 1 second. You do one thing. Otherwise, console.log instead of that. If he success means you take one variable like, see, user if is used to read the data from the form. That is okay. Then you take the use state variable ones to maintain the state. Is authenticated. I take the variable is what? Is authenticated. You maintain the use state hook. Make this is authenticated by default false. It's like he's not logged in. He's not logged in now. Is authenticated is false. Once he success, yeah, I think this is a state variable, right? We need to make the square brackets and set what? Set is authenticated like that. Okay, set is authenticated like that. Fine. Once the username password is correct, username password is what? Correct. Is authenticated square bracket. Fine. Once the username is password is correct, you do one thing. Console.log you can remove. For the first testing, I'm going to console.log. Set is authenticated. Set is authenticated is what? True. Is not authenticated means what? Set is authenticated is what? False. Is authenticated. That this is what? We need to call setter method, right? Set is authenticated. Set is authenticated is what? False. I can do like that. Then I take in one state state variable to maintain the status. Is authenticated or not? Once is the username password success, we are setting the authenticated is what? True. If it is means false. Then go to the logic, the bottom side after the button. Just you can give the message that, tell me guys, conditional rendering we can use. What is the conditional rendering? Tell me here. Is authenticated because that is a true or false, right? Is authenticated question mark. Is authenticated question mark? Tell me. Maybe true or false, right? If it's a true, your login is what? Your login is successful. Your login is what? Successful. And just you can make that variable, right? Your login is what? Successful. Tell me, your login is what? Successful. Yeah, your login is successful. Colon. Your credentials are what? See, is authenticated. True means what? This code executed. False means what? Second. Your credentials are what? Credentials are what? Wrong. Check once, right? Your credentials are wrong. Please enter again. Something like that. Please enter again. Like that, guys. I think that is makes sense, right? Good. Is authenticated or not authenticated? Yeah, let me go to the browser. You please check the code here. By default is getting what? Your credentials are what? Wrong. Because by default you're setting the values what? By default you're setting the values what? False. That's what you're getting the message is what? Your credentials are wrong. You please look into that point. And you Ratan and just enter the username is what? Ratan @123. Click on what button? Click on the login button. Now see, your login is successful. You got some message, right? You got what? Login is what? Your login is successful. Otherwise, if you enter the data like, if you enter the password like Ratan @123 something like, click on the login. Your credentials are wrong. Please check once, right? Exactly. You're setting the status of the login, guys. We are setting what? Status of the login. And we are doing what? That data like that. You got the point up? Yeah, is authenticated is true. True or what? False. Yeah. You can take the point. Login successful or failure, okay? If you want, you can take the console.log. First, you check the console.log working or not. Once the console.log working, then you can make one variable like, what variable here? Just you can take that is a case 2. Case 1 check with console.log. Case 2 check with what? Is authenticated. Hmm. Yeah, tomorrow class is there at 9 to 1. 2 sessions I will take. Morning only. Online people, tomorrow we have the class at tomorrow we have the class 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Tomorrow is Sunday, sir. Sunday. Sunday, but focus on the work. Work is important. You will finish as early as possible, right? React project is completed all. React almost all completed. You can do some patchworks and we finish the class as early as possible. We completed the project, right? Yeah, and people can copy that code. I paste in the chat box. You finish the code. Tomorrow you will meet. Yeah. Bye guys. Tomorrow you'll meet. You think you copied notes, right?